In this video, I'm going to show you how to use saved audio on Instagram story. Now, before we proceed with illustrating how you can find that in your Instagram, I will show you how you can do that with your Facebook story. So go ahead and create a Facebook story. Select a photo that you want to use for your story and click on the music tool, which you'll find at the right side of your screen. So as you can see in here, beside the search field, you'll be able to find this bookmark icon. And this is where you can find your saved music on Facebook. So this is where you can simply click on the specific saved music that you want to use for your Facebook story. Now for Instagram, go ahead and open Instagram on your device. And once you have that open, go ahead and create a story on Instagram by clicking on the plus icon under your story. And this will redirect you into the camera of Instagram. Now in here, go ahead and select a photo or a video that you want to incorporate with your story. Click on the music tool at the top right corner of your screen, and as you can see in here, the only music that you can find is the For You section and the Browse section, which means that the saved music or bookmark section is already gone on Instagram and it can only be found on Facebook. And that is how you can use saved audio on your Instagram story.